Howdy.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, yawdy, yawdy.
Hold there, but it'll be so nice to have ourselves a shop. Traffic. You picking the nut up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so little Chinese four-wheeler we bought on Amazon. Been sitting for a couple weeks. Well, things always started. Never had an issue. Well, we had this little issue with the battery because the bolt fell out. So we found another bolt and got it all together. And everything was going fine. Until this morning we go start it up. Just doesn't want to start. Well, like all the other Chinese four-wheelers that we have built around here, most of them have electronic chokes built into them on the carburetor. So, for any of you that buy one of these on Amazon, I want you to know that right up underneath here, on the passenger side, there's a lever right there on the carburetor, and that's a choke. Push it all the way up, thing will start. And yes, all the shop tools I have in here, and I'm still using pliers. That's just life. Okay. So now, unfortunately, we ran the battery dead trying to start it. And it don't like standard jumper cables either.
Good.
So my recommendation on one of these little four-wheelers off Amazon, don't buy it. Within the first week, the back rack just vibrated off. Literally just broke the welds and vibrated itself right off. The seat is yet to latch all the way. And right here, shoulder. And as you can see, it just tears super, super easy. So no matter what you do to it, it just ain't gonna stay on here. So far we've had replaced the bolt back here on the brake pedal. The back rack is vibrated off. Oh, the brake handle just broke off. You can see it just fell off one day. Nobody hit anything with it, it just fell off. She's 48 pounds and 11, so I don't want to hear that about 10 and under, because she's not the average size of a 10-year-old. So, not like she can beat on it. She's not a hot rodder. Just my recommendation for the $1,000, don't do it. Alright. To Tampa, the place I've been working down there. We got a big surprise coming pretty soon. Way back, heard something going tink, 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 tink. Didn't think much about it. Thought maybe it was a tire at first, so I looked back, and sure enough, tire was holding air just fine. Everything was looking good, and didn't think much about it until I got home, and then I found this hanging off the back of the car. So this is where the tire come apart. So now we know what the tink 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 was, and then you seen the tire. I gotta tell you folks, this Cobalt 1/2-inch drive impact, that's a bad little toy right there. Now we're gonna see what happened on the road back last night on the way home from Tampa. Started hearing some noise, and look at that tire come apart. That tire's only a couple years old too. Oh, I guess it is kind of a looking donut tire looking thing. Okay, never mind. But hey, when you gotta wait 3 or 4 days for new tires to come in, it is what it is. But I thought we were gonna feel like uptown folks here with a regular tire, but I guess not. But she will hold over for a few days. Better than putting the Maypop on there. And what's going on here now? There it goes. For a minute there, I was worried that the lug nuts weren't going to go on all the way. Oh man, that would be kind of crappy if the lug nuts didn't go back on. Inflate to 80 psi. That's a lot of power, a lot of pressure for that little tire. Okay, so who's rattling my phone hard here? Alright, we got a donut tire.